Hello and welcome all. I, Professor Ashish Apte, Department of Engineering Sciences at AISSMS IIT Pune. Today's topic is orthographic projection. No, we know that we require length, length and height to draw the or complete the front view. Uh, to complete the top view, we require two dimensions, that is one width and another one is a length. Okay, to complete the top view, we require length and width. And in case of side view, we require width and height of the object to complete the side view, whether it is a right or left. You can see front view length into height, top view length into width, and side view width into height. Now this is a reference for 50 mm. So this is the front view, top view, and side view. Now suppose example, this is object. Okay, elevation means front view. We are here and we have to draw the front view. So in that case, we can see only this A surface. Okay, this A and C surface. These two surface A and C. In case of we are here, okay, this direction, and we can see only this A and C. Now, in case of the top view, we have to change our position. We are here exactly top of the object, and we can see this D and this B surface. Okay. In case of the side view, we can see this E or L shape. Okay, this E surface or L shape. So now answer. Okay. This in elevation, that is front view, we can see C and F, C and F, C and F. Okay. In case of top view, D and B. In case of side view, only the L shape. Okay. Now the next example, to draw the front view. So you can see this surface. Okay. This base plate, front view. Yeah, you can see this surface in front view. This rib also, and this. Okay. This surface. In case of top view, this surface is visible to us, this one and rib also, because we have to change our position. Okay, we are here exactly, and we have to see the object. This surface is visible to me, this and this surface and this one surface. Okay, in case of shadow, only this L shape and this wave surface, this surface. Okay, in case of the shadow, okay, this wave, this is the wave, and this wave surface. Okay. One side of wave I can see from this side. Now the answer. So front view, you can see can, we can we get here. Now a front view, this base plate and these two rectangle and wave. This base plate, this is a rib portion. Okay. Then in case of the top view, okay, this plate and the rib is also here, and this is the base plate. Then in shadow L shape, and this is the rib. Front view, top view, and side. Now next example, having some slant edge here. Okay. So in case of the front view, we can see A, C. Okay, only A and C. In case of the top view, with D, E, and B. In case of side view, this F and D. Okay. In case of side view, F and D, we can see. Okay, so now how it look? Okay, we have to draw the front view, top view, and side view. This is the front. Okay. This shape I can see. In case of the top view here, D, E, and B, and in case of side view, D and F. D and F in case of side view. In case of top view, D, E, and B. D, E, and B. In case of front view, only A and C. Okay. Now, Now next one, this one. Okay. Now this is object. In case of front view, now we can see A, H, G, and C surface. Okay. In case of front view, this is the object. We can see G, A, H, and C surfaces. In case of top view, we can D. This D is visible to us. F is visible to us. Sorry, E is visible to us, and B is visible to us. In case of side view, now D and F and this G. D, F, and G is visible to us. Now the front view, okay, we can see A, H, G, and C. In case of top view, D, E, and B. In case of the side view, D, F, and G is visible to us. Yes. D, F, and G is visible to us in case of the side view. In case of top view, D, E, and B. D, E, and B. Now in case of the front view, H, A, G, and C. H, A, G, and C. Okay. So this is the required views. Thank you. Thank you for watching this.